Hi everyone, I'm Miss Freeman and welcome to Online Singing Assembly. Today we're going to learn a very special song. It's all about the elements of music. And this song is to a very well-known tune, so we don't need to learn how the tune goes, just the words and what they mean. So the tune that we're singing to today is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So to warm up our voices, we're going to sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but no words today. We're just going to use la. Ready? Let's do that together. Ready? La 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 la. 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 Good, so now that we're all warmed up, let's have a look at the words in the first verse. So we've got pitch means sounds are high or low. Tempo means go fast or slow. Dynamics can go with a bang or make a sound as quietly as you can. Pitch means sounds are high or low. Tempo means go fast or slow. So the key words in this verse, we've got pitch, tempo, and dynamics. The dynamics are the volume of the music, how loud or soft it is. Let's have a go at singing this verse with our music. Pitch means sounds are high or low. Tempo means go fast or slow. Dynamics can go with a bang or make a sound as quietly as you can. Pitch means sounds are high or low. Tempo means go fast or slow. Here's our second verse. The first key word in here is rhythm. It says rhythm makes a pattern of sounds. Rhythm is always a sequence of long and short sounds put together in our music. And then we're clapping a rhythm after we say that. That rhythm goes like this. We're only doing it one time there though. Pulse is all about the beat in our music. Sometimes we find the pulse by tapping. It says it sounds like slowly marching feet. You can march your feet in time with the music in that line as well. Rhythm makes a pattern of sound, so pulse and rhythm in this one. The pulse is always a steady beat, never changes. Rhythms, they change. Let's have a go at singing that verse with our music. Rhythm makes a pattern of sounds. Pulse will keep a steady beat. Sounds like slowly marching feet. Rhythm makes a pattern of sounds. Here's the third verse of our song. So the key words in this verse are ostinato and duration. Ostinato is a repeating pattern in our music, something that's played over and over and over and over again. And duration can be short or long. That's talking about the length of the sounds in the song. Let's have a go. Get ready for our music. Over and over and over again. Ostinato is the name. Duration can be short or long. The length of sounds in a tune or song. Over and over and over again. Ostinato is the name. Here's the words for the fourth and last verse of our song. There's only one key word in this verse, which is timbre. And timbre is all about the different sounds that the instruments make. Let's try and sing it through with some music. Timbre is quite hard to say. Listen to the instruments play. Bright and bold or harsh or hollow. Maybe gentle, warm or mellow. Timbre is quite hard to say. Listen to the instruments play. Now that we've learned all of the verses for our song, let's try singing it the whole way through. Pitch means sounds are high or low. Tempo means go fast or slow. Dynamics can go with a bang, or make a sound as quietly as you can. Pitch means sounds are high or low. Tempo means go fast or slow. Rhythm makes a pattern of sounds. Pulse will keep a steady beat. Sounds like slowly marching feet. Rhythm makes a pattern of sounds. Over and over and over again. Ostinato is the name. Duration can be short or long. The length of sounds in a tune or song. Over and over and over again. Ostinato is the name. Timbre is quite hard to say. Listen to the instruments play. Bright and bold or harsh or hollow. Maybe gentle, warm or mellow. Timbre is quite hard to say. Listen to the instruments play. Well done everyone, I hope you've enjoyed singing the musical elements song. All of those words are really important key words in our music. So we got timbre, the sound of the different instruments. Duration, that's the length of all the different notes. Rhythm, and rhythms are made up of short and long sounds and they change. And the pulse is the steady beat in our music. We've also got pitch, that's the high and low sounds. Tempo, that tells us how fast or slow the music is. And dynamics, talking about the volume of our music. Keep practicing.